Welcome back, guys, and it's Painful Slides with Ducky and Doom.
We're doing a quick build.
Yeah.
Okay.
You get 10 minutes to do stuff. As usual.
I've got the build selector here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna shoot at. So we've got a board here, and this is the topics board. Yeah, this is the topics board, and we choose a topic for our quick builds, and then there's a twist to our topic, I guess, of what we're building. So I'm gonna shoot for a topic right now.
It shoots from the middle, and I'll be over here telling you what it is.
Yeah, that hit something.
That hit this. No, it hit this.
The bottom
Theme
one.
Park.
No, it hit
Theme
the
park
parkour
ride. Yep,
one.
theme park
No, it
ride.
hit the parkour one.
No, it didn't.
No, it didn't.
It did.
Okay, very funny. Okay, who wants the bow? Someone grab the bow.
It was parkour.
Okay, where's the bird?
Where's the bow? I just threw it out. Okay. Someone use a bow.
Where's the bow?
I don't know. I'll just grab another bow. Okay, here.
Quickly.
Oh, you
tell
got
me
it.
where it hits.
No, you meant to choose a twist.
Yeah, this is a twist.
It
It hit
dropped.
this.
It dropped.
It hit this.
No flying. Okay, that's a good twist.
No flying, and what's the topic?
Roller coaster. Wow.
It was theme park.
Oh yeah, theme park. Okay, I'm gonna do roller coaster. Okay, I'm going on my plot here.
Where's your plot? Yeah, that's your
Yep.
plot. That's Doom. Oakley's, Isaac's, mine.
Yep. Okay. Go on your plot. Oh no, this is no. My plot's over here. No, yours. Yeah. I forgot. Yeah, this is my plot. Wow, it's raining. Okay. Yep, this is my plot. Okay. We have some time
In 10
to.
minutes.
I've got to get our stuff first. Okay. So like a theme park.
Oh, I almost did 1 hour and 10 minutes. Oh, we get to use as many books as we want.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Wow.
Okay. Starting soon.
Yeah.
No.
Let's grab that. So we can use as many blocks as we want. Awesome. Finally. Okay. What's a nice thing? Yep, that everyone likes that. Okay. Okay. Let's. Everyone ready?
Yep.
Almost.
So no flying once it starts.
Yep.
Okay. Hey,
Down the bow.
can't start yet. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Ready to start the timer? No flying, guys. Anyone sees anyone else flying, then
Points.
Oh, no flying. Damn it.
That's gonna be hard for a roller coaster.
I know.
Okay. Starting
Okay.
soon.
3, 2, 1, go.
If you want to know how long we have left, just ask me.
It's okay if you like kind of accidentally like double click and fly, but
No, that's
it's okay. Well, they'll be able to see from the video.
Oh wait. Well, why did I have to do that? Oh come on, I have to play it.
Let's see.
I've already messed up twice.
Nice.
There we go. All good. That sucks. Damn it.
Oh,
Yes. Wait.
this is really difficult.
There we go.
2 minutes remaining.
How long?
2 minutes or something.
No, it's a 10-minute build.
Yeah, but that's how long we have remaining. Oh no, that's.
I don't know what I'm doing right now with this redstone.
Redstone.
Yeah.
I'm using redstone. Congratulations. Oh, I can't do it. No, flying is such a hard thing not to do.
What am I doing?
What do you do at a theme park? What's this theme park?
Yep.
I haven't really been to one in ages.
I agree. Like, same.
I guess we're too old for that now.
Guess so.
What am I doing? Cool.
No, I'm building so slowly compared to that pub one that we did.
Ah. You guys like doing roller coasters? Like,
I'm doing a proper theme park. I don't know about you guys.
hey, lag.
Yeah, same.
Okay,
Not
cool.
me.
It's not just me.
Oh no, I need powered rails. I'd laugh if we can't place my cards.
We can. I already did. Oh no, I didn't.
How long left?
We're not allowed to place minecarts.
40.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not. We're not allowed to place minecarts.
We just have it for looks then. Oh wait, that means I don't need to do a lot of things.
Like powered rail.
Yeah.